Data can be dirtier than a muddy road after a storm. Up to 30% of business data can be inaccurate. That's a lot of mud. This dirt consists of errors and inconsistencies. These flaws can lead to misleading or incorrect conclusions. Data cleaning is essential for turning this raw data into valuable insights. Think of data cleaning like washing your hands before dinner. You wouldn't want to eat with dirty hands, right? Similarly, you wouldn't want to make decisions based on dirty data. Data cleaning involves identifying and correcting these errors. It's like using soap and water to get rid of the dirt. Companies spend a lot of time and money cleaning their data. On average, organizations spend about 20% of their time on data cleaning. This can cost thousands of dollars annually. But clean data is worth the investment. Good data governance can increase profits by up to 15%. Data cleaning is the process of transforming raw data into a reliable and usable format. It's like taking a messy room and organizing it so you can find what you need. Data cleaning involves several steps. These steps ensure the data is accurate, consistent, and complete. First, we identify and handle missing values. These are gaps in the data that need to be filled or removed. Next, we deal with duplicates. These are repeated entries that can skew our analysis. We also standardize formats. This ensures consistency across the dataset. Data cleaning also involves correcting errors. These could be typos, incorrect entries, or outliers. Finally, we validate and verify the clean data. This ensures that our cleaning process was successful. Data errors can come in many forms. They can slip into our datasets through manual entry, system glitches, or data migration. One common error is duplicate data. This happens when the same information is entered multiple times. Imagine receiving the same birthday card twice. Another common issue is typos. We've all been there, hitting the wrong key on the keyboard. These small errors can have a big impact on data analysis. Missing values are also a frequent problem. This is like having a book with missing pages. It makes it difficult to understand the whole story. Inconsistent formats can also create headaches. Imagine a recipe book where some measurements are in cups and others in milliliters. It would be very confusing. Data cleaning helps us address all these errors and more. Dirty data can be expensive. Incorrect decisions based on flawed data can lead to wasted resources and missed opportunities. Imagine a company launching a marketing campaign based on inaccurate customer data. They might target the wrong audience, wasting time and money. Dirty data can also damage a company's reputation. Inaccurate information can erode trust with customers and partners. It can also lead to compliance issues. Regulations often require companies to maintain accurate records. The cost of cleaning data can seem high, but the cost of not cleaning data is much higher. Investing in data cleaning is investing in better decision-making, stronger relationships, and a healthier bottom line. Section 5. Reaping the rewards of clean data. Clean data is like a breath of fresh air. It brings clarity and accuracy to our analysis. This leads to better decision-making across the board. With clean data, businesses can identify trends, understand customer behavior, and optimize their operations. Clean data also improves efficiency. Data professionals can spend less time cleaning and more time analyzing. This allows them to focus on what they do best, uncovering insights and driving value. Furthermore, clean data enhances data quality and reliability. This builds trust in the data and the insights derived from it. When we trust our data, we can make confident decisions that move our businesses forward. Section 6. Data cleaning in action, real-world impact. Let's look at some real-world examples of how data cleaning makes a difference. Imagine a healthcare provider using data to track patient outcomes. Clean data ensures that they are measuring the right metrics accurately. This leads to better treatment plans and improved patient care. In the retail industry, clean data can help optimize inventory management. By analyzing sales data, retailers can identify popular products and stock their shelves accordingly. This reduces waste and increases profitability. Data cleaning also plays a vital role in fraud detection. By identifying unusual patterns and anomalies in financial transactions, businesses can prevent fraudulent activities and protect their assets. Section 7. Data governance, the key to consistent cleanliness. Data cleaning shouldn't be a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires a proactive approach. This is where data governance comes in. Data governance establishes processes and policies for data management. Think of data governance as the rulebook for keeping data clean. It defines roles and responsibilities for data quality. It also sets standards for data accuracy, consistency, and completeness. Data governance ensures that data is treated as a valuable asset. It promotes data literacy and collaboration across the organization. By embedding data governance principles, businesses can create a culture of data quality. Section 8, the human element, blending automation with expertise. While technology plays a crucial role in data cleaning, human expertise is still essential. Data cleaning tools can automate many tasks, but they can't replace human judgment and intuition entirely. Data professionals bring their knowledge and experience to the table. They understand the nuances of the data and can identify subtle errors that machines might miss. They also play a vital role in developing and refining data cleaning rules and algorithms. The most effective data cleaning approaches combine the speed and efficiency of automation with the insight and judgment of human experts. Section 9. Data cleaning, the unsung hero of the data-driven world. In the data-driven world, we often focus on the exciting aspects of data analysis, uncovering hidden patterns, making predictions, and gaining a competitive edge. But behind every insightful analysis lies the often overlooked process of data cleaning. Data cleaning is the foundation upon which reliable insights are built. Without clean data, our analyses are built on shaky ground. By investing in data cleaning, businesses can ensure that their decisions are based on accurate, reliable, and trustworthy information. So, the next time you see a fascinating data visualization or hear about a groundbreaking data-driven discovery, remember the unsung hero behind it? Data cleaning.